Hi, my name is Jerry Brown, and this is my JavaScript project for the Flatiron School called Cadence Tunes. Uh, Cadence Tunes, this is a single-page application built with JavaScript that utilizes Rails as a backend. So the basic idea for Cadence Tunes is to allow users the ability to create playlists with songs that have tempos that match the cadence that you are attempting to run at. So for context, the faster your cadence or step count is when you're running, typically the more efficient and the less injury prone you can be. So a lot of runners like to listen to music that matches their desired cadence. So here at the beginning, you'll enter your cadence. If you don't know what your cadence is, you'll receive some errors that kind of guide you towards what a typical range is. And so I'm going to enter 150. After you provide your cadence, you're asked what type of music would you like to run to? And so all of the genres and the songs to come are from the Spotify API. So I will select a few genres here. And once that is selected, the program fetches songs from Spotify based on the criteria that was inputted. So you'll see here there are some recommendations from Spotify, and these are ordered based on how closely the tempo matches the desired cadence. So I can browse through the songs here. As you'll see, some of them have previews, so you can give it a listen before you add it to your playlist. So I will go ahead and add a few. When you're just starting off, you'll be asked to give your playlist a name. So I'll call this demo playlist. And it has been added to this kind of playlist builder up here in the upper corner. I can continue adding songs into the playlist, and I can also change up the parameters of the recommendation. So maybe the first couple songs I want it to be a little bit slower, and then maybe a little bit into my run, I wanted some faster songs. So I can increase the cadence. The program fetches new recommendations based on this cadence, and I can continue adding from here. I can do the same thing with genres, so it'll take me back to the genre page, and maybe I'll get these two genres at the faster cadence, and again, these songs will match those parameters, and so I can continue adding. Once I'm all set up with my playlist, I can select to save it. It's down here. I can select to save my playlist, and I'll be told my playlist is saved, and it has been added to the list of recently created playlists, which I can view on the corner or on the side here, and also view the associated songs. Similarly, I can view the playlists that previous users have created as long as they were recently created and appear in this list. Let's see, so if I were to start another playlist, let's say demo number 2. So I can have this playlist going here. If, let's say, I mistyped demo number 2, or I wanted to change the name, I have the ability to make edits. So before it's saved to the database, I can go ahead and say, it's actually demo number 3. And it will update accordingly. And I can continue adding. Similarly, as you'll notice, there are the subtraction icons here. So if I didn't want a particular song in here, or I added it on accident, I can just simply remove it, and it'll be added back to the bottom of this list. Awesome. Thanks for following along.